Abanyita Alex nyende kubaikara mama gwitu gw'eriizooba so turi kuza kugamba hari environmental degradation, but today we are going to first talk about environment, then next time we are going to talk about degradation, but we are going to talk about to deal with environment today. Yes, as you know, everyone understands environment is all things that surrounding us, or all things around us. So as you see behind me or the background, everything surrounding me, this make the environment. So environment is just made up of some of the things. Can be non-living things and living things, things which have life and things which do not have life. As you see behind me, I have some plants, I have buildings, I have trees, so it means I'm surrounded with different things around me. This is what we call environment, things around us. So as you know, things around us, even we have like soil, as you know, soil where we grow our crops. We have water, we have animals, and we have plants. So on this earth, we are going to be seeing how can we be able to provide the plants in our environment. Guys, me, I can just say we can just have this to stop this. So first, we know if we use our like polythene papers, our bottles where we buy water and everything, and then we just throw them everywhere, that it means we are destroying our soil. So if you use any like polythene paper bottle, please get where to take them back. You know, people are just getting other things from the bottles after using them. So there are those companies which are looking for those wastages to again make other products. So if you have like old jelly cans, old saucepans, people are looking them and are buying them. They are not taking them for free. Polythene paper, so those companies are looking for them. So make sure or you make a compost pit around your place where you're going to be collecting and throwing everything, but stop throwing anywhere, bottles, what and what. No, that it can't work. So as you know, we have ecosystem. So I don't know if I'm taking this very quickly, but we have ecosystem. Ecosystem, this is the community of living and non-living things that work together. A community of living things and non-living things that work together. So those are just found in the environment. You know, a community and environment, one must happen and another thing must happen. So briefly, we must make sure the environment is clean. Please let us stop just throwing anywhere. The way I'm seeing the virus here, let us get time and we just pick them and we collect them in one place. The people who need them will come for them, or we just burn them to provide our soil or to provide the water. I'm seeing here some swamps, but because people wanted to construct, that's why you are not seeing swamps around here. So let us see how we can be able to provide our environment. And another thing, if you cut one tree, please make sure and you plant another tree. Don't just cut a tree and leave without planting any tree. If you cut today a tree, make sure you plant like 2. You never know, one will grow, another one will not grow. But make sure if you cut one, plant 2. Make sure our environment we are living in is so clean. All the weather we are going to be breathing. We breathe oxygen and we take away carbon dioxide. So if you cut trees and you cut all plants, it will make sure that people will not survive very well. So as we are ending, environment is the area living organisms live. So this is what we call environment. Where we are going to we have plants. I'm seeing some birds, I'm seeing some animals that side. So this is what we call environment. But one day if we wake up and we find we do not have plants, animals, just the environment is barely, just that is the soil. It means even us, we are not going to live, to be on this earth, because we are not going to be able to survive. So all I want to tell you, let us be able to provide our environment, or we be able to conserve. We use the things in the right way. If you are able to get water, make sure you collect that river which is bringing for you water. Don't wait for the government to come and help you. No, the people around it, make sure you clean that water area. But if you don't clean that water area, it makes sure you will get some diseases. So after getting some diseases, you will be crying. Government is not helping us. Please let us be able to be able to conserve our environment and be able to provide the environment.